In my last video, I talked about why my channel got deleted, and I promised to explain how you can know your account is Shadowban. Check out the video. So now let's dive into the main topic of today. Or have you ever thought, why did my view just drop all of a sudden? Or why is my channel not getting any views like usual? First, I want you to know that it is not because you aren't turning on any notification or turning off any notification. Don't let anyone deceive you. It might be because your account is ghost to YouTube, and ghost can't be seen by anyone. Or maybe your subscriber aren't getting any notification from your channel that you posted. You know, if you post and you do not tell them to turn on the notification button, they might not see. So that might be the reason they are not getting any notification from your video. So how can you know your account is ghost to YouTube? Or in other words, maybe your account is Shadowban. So in this video, I'll tell you how you can tell your account is Shadowban by YouTube. And in my next video, I will explain why it is Shadowban. And what do I mean by Shadowban? Because I'll be shouting Shadowban, 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 Shadowban. Since, first, let me explain what Shadowban is. It means your views is getting below your regular. First, let me explain what Shadowban is to you. It means your YouTube channel video is getting below your regular view. And how would you know your account is Shadowban? Let me show you the procedure. First, you go to your browser. But I'll be making use of Chrome. But you can use any browser that you have. You can use Chrome, Safari, any browser on your phone. It's not compulsory to use Chrome. If you have Safari, you can use Safari. I know you've watched how am I using this thing. I can't find the fuck I'm supposed to use. But anyway, forget about that one. I'm using a fry pan. So I can, because I don't like holding the microphone. It's too tiny in my hand. So I better go. I want to buy a new one now. No, now help me. I like that side there. Anyway, let's go to the browser. Search for yt.com/YouTube/YouTube. Or better still, I will put the link in my description. And in case you do not get the website, the link will be in the description. When you get to the website, you go to your YouTube channel and copy the link of your channel like this. First, you go to YouTube, you click on View Channel. When your channel opens, you click on the three icon, click Share, and you will see copy link. Then you copy the link. Do you understand? After copying the link, we head back to the browser of yt.com/YouTube and paste your profile link there, where it shows paste channel or video link, and type the number they show you there, then click enter. It should take maybe 1 to 2 minutes depending on your network. When it's load finished, that is how you will know your account is Shadowban, and see if your account has been demonetized too. And you can also use it to know if someone's account or your friend's account is monetized. Like this, I'll say, YouTube pay me. You can go and know it's there. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and I want to use this medium to welcome you all to my YouTube channel, to Bolu Vibes channel, and thank you all for coming here. I love you all, and I hope you found this video helpful. Then you surely love the next video that pops up on your screen. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I am Bolu Vibes. Bye bye.